Yeah. Shoutouts to Prince Naj. Maraming salamat sa 16 Bars Challenge. So, ito yung version namin, side B and 12. So, yeah, sana magustuhan nyo.
I've been thinking back, wilding out, checking whatever the fuss is about. Please check your throat, cause there might be a dick inside of your mouth. Yes, you are ugly and I'm smarter than you assholes. My dough is stacking up and bury you up to 10 folds. 1, 2, it's where your motherfucker started. 21 motherfucking questions just to end it. Purple drinks on my cup, no Hennessy. When I was fucking up your girl, I'm playing Jodeci. The fuck is musically inclined in the family. Shit on you haters, I don't give a fuck what you say to me. 16 bars full of cars on my garage. Rockstar headbang, berserker barrage. Wolverine scratching your balls with the middle finger. Came here for you to get a hand up my fucking single. Being able to survive as long we strive to be best and alive. Keep it, believe it, and then you will see it, and everyone else will be there to believe it.
Kumana naman ng mga dila magaling upang malaman ako sino ba ang bobo. Mga puro putak, puro pahangin, pero pag umirit ay wala naman sa tono. At sino? Kaparat ng mapad, bakit handa ka na ba na tumanggap? Na malupit na kotong, pag ito tumama bakit di mo na makuwang magpanggap at mag-rap na mga mabaho mong balita kahit minsan na hindi naman bumenta. Kahit ilako mo pa sa bangketa o libre mamigay sa miloneta. Punyeta, anak ng tokwa, tinapa at tipaklong. Titigilan lang kita pag tinigilan mo na ang pagboka ng mga kwentong bardero na walang alam gawin kundi ang buhatin ng sariling upuan. Tingnan natin kung di ka mabigatan, pabigla na lang kita paulanan na mga bala kasabay ng mga salita na para pang halimo sumalakay, kumakatay, lumalatay sa tagal ng panahon sa mga di tulad ako na hanay. Kung may gusto ka malaman